Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Are you trying to browse or post on Facebook Marketplace but your location isn't updating, showing wrong results or not working at all? This is usually caused by GPS settings, app permissions or connection issues. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix location not working on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why location isn't working? So common causes include location services turned off, Facebook app doesn't have location permission, VPN or proxy enabled, GPS signal is weak, corrupted app cache, or manual location set incorrectly. So start with the device settings first, okay? So on iPhone, for example, go to settings, okay, the home like this, okay, tap privacy and security, like this, tap location services, turn it on, okay, and scroll to Facebook, select while using the app, okay. So on Android, go to settings, tap location, turn it on, go to apps, tap Facebook, tap permissions and enable location. So without this, Marketplace can't detect your area. So this fixes most location problems instantly. So disable VPN, so turn off any VPN or proxy, close Facebook and reopen Marketplace. VPNs often force a different city or country. You can also refresh your Marketplace location manually, so open Marketplace, okay, tap the location filter at the top, enter your city manually, okay, here, and adjust search radius. So manual reset often corrects glitches. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.